to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a palette from the Beauty Crop. This one I kind of mini featured in my Mojito palette video, which I'll link above at some point. But this one is the Espresso Yourself palette. So the packaging looks like this. It's got like the colours on the back, and the actual palette is like this. That is just, I think that is just so cute. I love the design on that. So being the Espresso Yourself palette, this is actually an eyeshadow palette with coffee extract. So I found that quite interesting. I do like a coffee, I have to say, a cappuccino. It's giving it a sniff and it doesn't smell like coffee, but yeah. So the colours are like this, which are really nice. They're obviously neutral tones, brown tones, as you'd expect from the name. And yeah, they're quite small pans, but if this packs as much of a punch as the Mojito palette did, then you don't need a lot of product. So I don't mind that they're small pans, but this was actually a bargain. I got this one and the Mojito palette in a set together for, I think it was £22. I think I said 20 in the last one, but it was £22, so £11 each. And you can't go wrong, it's got a mirror as well. So yeah, let's give it a whirl. So I think I'm just going to go for quite a simple brown sort of eye today, like a nude look with a little bit of shimmer in, of course. And yeah, maybe a little bit of a cut crease because I'm quite liking those lately anyway. So in the crease, I think I'm going to go in with this one here called Mocha. Yeah, right, so then obviously I'm gonna blend that now. Yeah, nice. So then what I'm gonna do is just quickly cut the inner half here. So I've just cut my crease. I've obviously done both eyes as well. I thought I'd do the other one while I was at it. And I'm gonna go over where I have cut that with this shade almost, oh, I think it is right in the middle actually, called Gold Roast. So this one here.
We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds, telling lies. That's how we stay alive.
What a gorgeous colour as well, and no fallout. So next I'm going to go on the outer corner here and sort of halfway in with this one here called Raspberry Mocha Kiss.
I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't want to see you go.
Okay, and then give that a little blend.
Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't want to let you down.
Do you know, I'm absolutely loving this palette. It's, oh, I'll tell you at the end. Then underneath, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go with Mocha again. So the one I used like in and above the crease. So that one. So I'm going to go in with that one again.
Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful.
And then right on my inner corner, I'm going in with Vanilla Latte, which is this one here. I'm going to use that on my brow bone as well. I really like that colour. That's lovely. Right, I'm going to go and pop some lashes on and finish this one off. And here we have the finished look. I am so impressed with this palette, I really am. It's so pigmented, so easy to blend, and the colours are just super, super lovely. Honestly, I'm so glad I bought this. That's the second palette that I've had from the Beauty Crop, and I've been really impressed with both of them. I'm definitely going to get some more from these and obviously test them out as well for you. But yeah, I cannot recommend these enough. Well, the two I've tried anyway. I'm sure the others are just as good. Well, we shall find out. But yeah, really, really nice. Yeah, so here is a close-up of the eyes. I just love it. I really do. I just don't know what else to say really. It's so nice, and the pigment is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This gold on the inner corners here, or the inner halves, it's almost foiled. Yeah, love it. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.